In this video, we are testing out a practical application for the new Shadow Ambient Fume Collector by Imperial Systems, Inc. During this demo, we had 3 welders welding on galvanized steel. We started with the Shadow Ambient Collector off to create as much smoke and fume as we could. Now that the room is filled with fume, we turn on the Shadow Ambient Collector. This room is approximately 5,000 square feet. In less than 15 minutes, the room is completely clear of smoke and fume. The Shadow Ambient Fume Collector is the perfect option for a small weld shop, or you can use multiple to keep a larger shop from getting full of smoke and fume. Call Imperial Systems or visit their website in the description below to find out how the Shadow Ambient Fume Collector can work for your facility.